live gynecomastia surgery today. People ask, sir, what do you do in the surgery? So it's just a simple procedure in which we do 3 steps. I am showing you the first step, into which we just put a very small incision over here and we take off the fat from here. So it is basically between the junction of the nipple and the skin, so it will not going to be visible. It's a very breakthrough in gynecomastia surgery and people are appreciating a lot, and we are getting one of the best results at present in the world. So I am again showing you the second result of this patient. Friends, this is the second step of Scarless keyhole gynecomastia live surgery. As you can see, we are doing the liposuction. This is a fat which has come out. Sometimes it is not necessary to do liposuction, we can only do breast gland excision. But what happens if you take fat from here, here or here, then the skin will going to drag in this direction. So the laxity of the skin will not be there. So what amount of fat to be taken out is very essential to maintain the chest shape, to do the reshaping of the male chest, as well as to redrape the skin of the chest. So I'll show the third step as well, how we take out the breast gland. Thank you so much. So friends, we have completed the grade 3 gynecomastia live surgery, and you can see the gland which has come out. So this is a gland basically. If you can see, this is a whitish is a gland structure and it is adjoining with the fat. So it may be the variation. This is a gland, this is a fat, and the amount of fat which has been taken out is comparatively less in this case. So you have to understand, we do keyhole Scarless gynecomastia surgery, which very few people does from a single incision. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, if you have any query about the gynecomastia, whether it should be operated or not, whether it's a true gynecomastia or a pseudo gynecomastia, whether you need any treatment in such kind of cases, you can contact our team that will going to help you out. Thank you so much, friends.